Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds POCO Buds Pro. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now it should be connected with the headphones. If it didn't help you, just close the charging case. Now right here we should have not connected here, and open it. So we right here should have connected. Here we go, and we make a soft reset. But if soft reset also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold this multifunctional button until this light starts flashing. Click on it as the device list, and we also did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So press and hold this multifunctional button and wait until it would be disconnected from the phone. Right now we have it. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and then click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!